Hey guys, my name's Diana and this is my best friend Tia.
Hi guys.
And today we're going to be doing a hair mask for you guys. As you can see, my hair is really dry and I need it.
We both need it.
The ingredients are a little weird, just bear with us. Honey,
olive oil, mayonnaise,
avocado,
castor oil,
and some eggs.
It does sound weird, but it's really good for your hair and it's good for all hair types. It helps with moisture, it helps with definition, and it helps with shine.
Let's get started. So we forgot to tell you guys, you have to detangle your hair as we did.
Or like, at least, make sure that you can run your fingers through it and section your hair, because you can't just slap the mask on your head. You have to put it in sections. Trust me, it's easier and it creates less of a mess. So my hair is officially sectioned. When you put the mask in your hair, it's a little messy, but you want to make sure you start from the bottom up to make sure that your ends get the most love. You put so much.
I know.
You didn't need that much. So we're back. So we put the mask into our hair. So now you're going to leave the mask in for 45 minutes to an hour, but you have to make sure when you rinse it out, you have to do it with
cold water.
You have raw egg in your hair. We don't want to cook it in your hair, as they say. Point is, do it with cold water. So
exactly.
We're gonna come back 45 minutes later and show you guys the results.
So in these 45 minutes, we will be watching 2 episodes of Girlfriends. That's how you should time your time out too. So it's been 45 minutes and we rinsed this out of our hair, and we also went in the shower, washed our hair, and we did our curly hair routines. Now we're just waiting for it to air dry. My hair feels so much softer, and I can tell when it dries out, it's gonna be way more defined. And how do you feel?
I feel good. My hair feels really moisturized. The curls are really pretty. It's shiny. So yeah. I love this mask. I really do.
Let us know if you guys like it. Bye.